34118 in Snoqualmie. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,680 square feet. We've got bedroom number 1, bathroom, entryway, of course down and up. Here's the living room, dining room, and kitchen. Entryway from the garage, little office nook. Gas stove. And then there's this. This is an amazing view, especially because you're above all the roof lines in front of you. Nothing to block it. Nothing but mountains. And you can actually see the view from pretty much every floor of the house. We'll go upstairs. Pop in real quick to the laundry room. Down the hall, we'll start with the master bedroom. Of course, the same view, a little elevated. Master bath. Of course, there's me. Closet. And we've got 2 more bedrooms on this floor. And then the 4th bedroom. And the bathroom. Now we're going to head downstairs to the bottom floor, where there is a large living room, bathroom, and bedroom. And yep, another view. Bathroom. Bedroom. Backyard. Oh, look. View. Trying to think about it. I think there's only one bathroom and one bedroom in this house that you cannot see the view from. If you haven't already come and seen this, you gotta come and see it. It's an amazing house in Snoqualmie. 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,680 square feet. You have a good day, everyone.